what is the latest situation right now?
See, NDRF has done 2 points. They have drilled 2 points, and in one area there are 2 people who are alive. They have been given painkillers and saline and everything. One is on the 2nd floor, one is on the 3rd floor. I mean, one is on the 2nd floor, one is on the 1st floor. So they are alive, they are responding, but they are in tremendous pain because they're on their body. One beam is there. One part of the hand is on one beam and the other part of the body is on another beam. NDRF is trying level best to take them out. The passage is very narrow, so we need another smaller crane which can lift just 3 inches. They need 3 inches space. And another point where they have drilled, there are probably 3-4 people, but they were responding. Right now they are not responding. So it will take another 2-3 hours time, probably 5 o'clock in the morning. And still now we don't know how many people are inside, because nobody knows the exact count who are there in SSKM, who are like in a proper state. They were saying that probably 50 or 55 or 45 people had come. Many people are from Bengal, many people are from Munger. So until and unless things are moved layer after layer, we'll not know how many people are there stuck inside.
You do not have any proper information that how many workers?
No, the two drilling points, only that information we have right now. One place 2, one place 3. This much information we have. Other than that, in the entire building, how many workers were there?
There was also a ground floor.
Yes, and they had some had gone for lunch. So they don't know. They are saying some had gone for lunch. They are saying there were 2 ladies who gave jharu. So nobody
What's your
knows.
assumption, ma'am? How many persons are still?
No idea. I'll not be able to say. But what the workers were saying, some were saying it was 45, some are saying 55, some are saying 57. Until and unless you really, get the thing, how many, I mean, once you level out, one after the other, then only you come to know.
During this time, police arrested 3 persons in connection with this company. So, what do you say regarding this? Do you think the correct information will?
Strictest punishment has to be given. I mean, I don't. I can't say what punishment will be good enough for these people. Some were architects, some were structural engineers, some were empaneled engineers who were supposed to see on a regular basis whether the design was being followed. This is also, you have to follow that design. So these people, for few lakhs or few crores, these people, just imagine you are stuck for more than 12 hours. You don't have oxygen. Yes.
By the government.
You don't have oxygen. You are suffocated. You are in tremendous pain, just for a few people who made this purposefully to gain a few lakh or few crores of rupees. I can't imagine what punishment will be apt, so that these people get justice. And we are confident that our Chief Minister, our dynamic Chief Minister, will take an appropriate action. For the next 1 month till 31st of July, all new construction work has to be stopped till audit is done in KMC area. Until unless audit is done, no construction work will start. We will not pay the price of what the previous Mamata Banerjee government has done it. We will not pay the price. And I don't know how much they have done in entire Bengal. This is, I will not say, not only the tip of an iceberg. You can't say this. I mean, these areas, you never know how many buildings they have done like this.